Guys, welcome back to today's video. So today I wanted to do an unboxing from Grove Collaborative. I receive products from them every single month. I love that you can just go on, pick out what you want, and they'll just send it right to your house. So I got 2 boxes because I forgot to go on and edit what I did and did not need. So because of that, I got a lot of stuff. So here is box number 1, and I just thought I would share with you guys what I normally get in my Grove orders. Now, I don't get these same items every single month because I don't always need them. So I'm going to be stocked up for a while because I didn't edit my account. So there's tons of packaging in here. I tried to pull out most of the packaging so you guys didn't have to listen to it. But let's hop in. So the first item that I got is just this all-purpose scrub brush. Just looks like this. Has a handle, some bristles. This was a new item that I added to my cart. And then okay, so the first item in here is this all-purpose scrub brush. It does have a handle on it right here. It's got some bristles down on the bottom. This was a new item that I added into my cart. I don't normally get this, so I'm excited that it has a handle. That will be nice. And then the next item in here is the replaceable head walnut scrubber. So it looks like this. It does have this portion of the head is replaceable, and I did get some extra heads to go with it. So this is a new item. I've never used this item before, so I'm excited to check that out. And then what else is in here? There's so much. So I got the lemon verbena Mrs. Meyer's hand soap. This is one of my favorite hand soaps. I typically do get this one every single month. The next item is just a lemon oil. I like to put these in our kitchen sink after I clean the sink. That always smells super good, and I use it for other stuff. So this is something that I normally get, but I was not out of it yet, so I'm stocked up on that. That will be nice. Next is the Method Foaming Bathroom Cleaner. I got this in my last order. It was the first time I had received that. It was the first time trying out this particular brand. I did like it. I wasn't quite finished with the other one, but because I forgot time was approaching to adjust my cart, I'm stocked up on that as well, so that'll be nice. I also got the Method antibacterial bathroom cleanser. This will be nice. This one is the for shower, and then we'll use this one for like sinks and stuff. I was needing another one of these, so I'm glad this auto shipped because I was pretty low on my other one. And then the last thing in this first box is the Mrs. Meyer's Clean All Day, again in the lemon verbena scent. I really like the scent of this. It just smells super fresh. It's one of my all-time favorite things from them. So jumping into the second box, here's my list of everything that they sent. One thing I always do get every single month is a couple boxes of the tissues from 7th Generation. I really like those. The nice thing about this time of year is we typically don't get sick or you don't have a runny nose, although allergies are kind of a big thing right now. So it will be nice to have a couple extra boxes of those. Here's the second box. And then I got another thing of the Method Squirt and Mop Wood Floor Cleaner, so that's nice. I'm about halfway through on my other one. I got another lemon verbena scent from Mrs. Meyer's. This is the toilet cleaner. I really like that, their cleanser. It's nice. I got the baking soda cream cleaner, lemon verbena. Also, again, I think I have a problem. Mrs. Meyer's. So this will just be an extra. Actually, I might see if my mom wants this one possibly, because I don't use this every single time. And I got my first one from them, like I think it was 2 or 3 boxes ago. And I haven't even used like half of it. So maybe I'll see if she wants it, or my grandma or someone. They could try it out and see what they think. Oh, this is a new scent. This is honeysuckle. I forgot I added this one a while ago. This is dish soap. I use their dish soap so mostly I use the dishwasher, but occasionally I do have certain items that obviously can't go in the dishwasher. So I like that dish soap to cleanse some of our pots and pans. And tons of packaging. All right, so the next item is the 7th generation disinfectant wipes. I do love these. This is something that I do get every single month because we do go through those pretty quickly. And another item, oh, this is my favorite stuff. So this is Real Simple Clean. It's a cooktop cleaner and protectant. And I'm not sure if you can see it or not because it's in this packaging, but it has just this little squirt lid that you can screw off the top and replace the top of it with. I really like that. I was having a hard time trying to find a cleaner that would clean off our stovetop. I just felt like so many of them were leaving like a residue or a film. Some of them, it just didn't seem like it cleaned it. I would have to clean it multiple times. And so I ordered that one month to try it out, and I love it. That's also another one that will be stocked up on because I'm probably right about halfway through that other bottle. So the next item is a peppermint bar soap. I think I got this one in my last order, or maybe it was the time before, I can't remember. And I haven't even tried it out yet. So now I have 2 of those as well. So next is a glass cleaner. It's orange and rosemary. I actually have never used this. I don't know. I don't even remember adding this to my cart. That's so terrible. 2-pack 1 ounce concentrate. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to look into this one more and figure out how to use this one because I actually don't know. But that'll be nice. I like the packaging. It's so cute. I'm excited to try that out. It'll be nice to have something new to try. Another one that was in here is the Spearmint Method Antibiotic Toilet Cleaner. I've tried this one and I like it, and I've tried the Mrs. Meyer's one and I like that one also. So I'll probably just take one of these to work with me and just have it at work because I'm probably not gonna go through both in 1 month. So I'll be stocked up on that for a little while. And then the next item is the 7th generation bleach. Just in this little container. It's a, let's see, a little over 1 liter. I like their bleaches because they're small, they're little, which I don't get those every single month, every couple months. And I was needing a new one of those, so I'm glad that was on there this month. And then I got some walnut scrubbing pads. Okay, and then I got a 2-pack of the walnut scrubbing pads. And then I also got a microfiber all-purpose cloth in this little like teal blue. It's super cute. A new pack of cleaning gloves. I like to use those. My husband uses those too. He probably uses them more than I do. He has very sensitive skin, and so certain products just really irritate his skin, so he'll use those. Oh, this is fun. This must have been my free gift because I know I get like a free gift every month, and I do not remember adding this to my thing. This is a Garden Rose soy candle, and it smells super good. That's really nice. I might take that one to work with me. It's super fresh and just really springy. Okay, and that's it. We've hit the bottom of the second box. So that was everything in this month's Grove box. I love Grove, like I said. It's nice to just hop online, pick out the items you need, have them send them to you. It's nice also because you can go on and edit on how often you want to receive things. Like I said, I forgot this past shipment to go on and edit what I did and did not need. So I got a ton of stuff this time, which is totally fine. We will definitely use it. I'll be stocked up for a while. A couple of the items I might give to my mom or a family member for them to try out and see if they like it or not, and see if they might also want to get hooked on Grove. But I will leave all my items down below for you guys if you have any questions. And if not, I'll see you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.